Okay guys, ready? I'm acting like it. So today I'm going to be doing an organizing, cleaning, spring cleaning video. I asked you guys, what do you guys want to see? And then I had a comment that said like pretty much, I never listen to what you guys have to, you know, what you're requesting. And I was like, I was like, what? That's so sad. I was like, I feel like people like hauls and story times and things I do, taste tests and stuff, but maybe not. Be crying. I took it so hard, okay? So I was like, okay, what do you guys want to see? And a lot of people still said hauls, taste tests, get ready with me, more mukbangs, 24-hour challenges, and then cooking videos. The main one you guys wanted to see was requested, the most thumbs up, were like spring cleaning or organizing videos so I was like, perfect. If you guys want to see that, I am not good at it, but this could be like a little challenge for myself. I am excited to do it. So I always see on TikTok everyone's like all these perfect pantries, and mine is literally just shoved. I'm gonna do the pantry today, but if you guys want to see like doing my fridge and all like the fancy, I will do that too. If you guys want to see my makeup room is like a mess, that would be a great organization. Even a closet one if you guys want to see. Like, I don't know, like there's so many ones to do, but I think I'm just gonna start on this one because it's the messiest in my opinion, and there's like a bunch of old stuff. To me, these are like boring videos, but if you guys want to see it and if you like it, I would love to give it to you. Give it to you. I'm gonna go to Dollarama and get some organizers, but I think first let's go look at the pantry. I'm gonna do it before and after, see what I have so that I know what to buy at Dollarama before I go. So let's go down to my pantry and see what we got. Woo! Okay guys, ready? I'm acting like it. Ah! Here's the pantry. Something stinks in here. See? That's why we're here. Okay. Yikes! Oh my god. I'm like, I already don't want to do this. So come on in. My pantry is actually like very spacious. Like I can full on go like this. Said no one ever. Like, why would that be a thing? Just like things everywhere. It's kind of an organization. Like I'm gonna like organize. It's like, you know, like certain places for things like sweet snacks, savory snacks, dog food and cat food, pet food, I guess. Down here's like alcohol and pasta and just cereal. And here's like the random stuff. And then here's like more like spices. Yeah, I don't know. You guys, I don't know. And then up top here is like random stuff. So when I say alcohol, I mean when we don't previously drink all the alcohol in the house. The alcohol's drank, so there's like nothing, like this is what's left. Iconic, honestly. I'm gonna need like 8 garbage bags, so let's just get started, I guess. There's literally, at the bottom too, there's like recycling, there's literally stockings. I can't. There's a package down there. Let's get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna do this bottom shelf first. I'm going to grab, what are these little jars? What are these cat food treat? What? Where do these come from? For good till 2024. Okay. Okay, what is this? Oh, this was for when Shugsy had his eye infection. He obviously doesn't have that anymore. A lot of this is gonna be expired. Like, what is this? I don't know. There's no expiry date. I'm just gonna throw stuff like that away. Coop got some new food. There are dog treats. There's like pieces of cardboard everywhere. This is salmon oil. We put it on the pets' food sometimes, but it's used up. I don't know why we wouldn't just throw it away. If I even touch this, they're gonna come sprinting. Well, this looks better already, honestly. I don't know why these are a different food brand. Like, I have no idea. Potatoes? Are they so good? Oh, they're all moldy! Ah, that's actually really dangerous to have potatoes that are moldy. Oh my god, this looks so good already. These I've kept because I don't know what to do with them. I don't know if I want to like be tacky and put glitter in them or what. They're just here because I don't know what to do with them. This cereal I don't use. Like, I literally don't eat cereal anymore. Not for no reason, I just don't use it. 2020, this expired in. These Kinder eggs Austin got me a long time ago. They're probably expired as well. We're already doing really well. Rice I just used yesterday. I know it's good. This is for a taste test. That's why it's kind of like right in front. Honestly, this already looks so much better. I think just like clearing things out and seeing what should be organized first is key. Now we have over here 2020, like all these are expired. This Red Bull thing, we never even tried it. Everything's 2021 expiry. What about these? These like never expire, right? 2021. All these are expired. Pop-Tarts. I didn't even know we had Pop-Tarts. I feel like this is like wasting food, and I feel it's actually a good idea I did this because honestly, it's just showing like the food waste. Because like I can't even like donate this because it's expired food, right? Like I don't need to buy all this stuff if I'm not gonna eat it. Like I didn't even open these. Like these are so cute. I didn't even open them. Wow. I'm just gonna speed the rest of this shelf along here for you guys. Have a lid. This doesn't have a lid. Just chug it. I'm just gonna dump it, like honestly. Okay, this is way better already. I'm gonna clean at the end, so don't mind that. So here is the animal stuff, alcohol, taste test stuff, and then here's like breakfast kind of things, baking stuff, my drinks for my iced coffees and stuff. I like to have them in here. I don't really like displaying them. A lot of people display them. I just like to have them in here. Let's tackle next like the soup can. Oh my god, I come in here so often that, you know, when you see something like every day, you don't like notice really that something's there. I don't know how to explain it. This is from Christmas. This is Christmas baking from my mom. Those are garbage, but I'm gonna go ahead and do like a sped up of this. It's pretty much like canned items, and then there's more cereal, which I should go down there, and then pasta. That's this shelf right here. Okay guys, and now I'm working in the corner here of the pasta. Why these are here? Because these are like sweet snacks. Like things are just not in order. These are still good. Sushi rice. This is still good. Okay. So now we're doing like rice and pasta. I don't know where to put these. Icing. Yum. Expired. Moving all the sweet tray. Oh no. I just shattered a lollipop. Well, that's garbage. Oh my god. There's an empty thing of Oreos here. This looks so old. Best if used by, doesn't say. Well, then we're not taking a chance. I love having these little packages of crackers. Well, I'm gonna keep the ones that aren't crushed. Oh, they're not crushed. Like if I'm sick or something, or if I can't eat something, like if I'm stomach sick, I like having just these. Also, Austin likes them for his soup. Do I have a box of crackers? Yeah, right here. These are good to just, I don't like to just throw them away because like if I really can't eat and you need to have something in your system, these are really good to have. But I'm gonna get like something to put these in because I feel like they're just, or I could put them in here. Oh, these are expired. Never mind. But do crackers really expire? Does pasta even expire though, really? Like, smart spaghetti. Rice. We found pini linguine. Macaroni. Oh, cute. It all just little fits. Flavor boosts for Katie. Put these up here in the seasoning aisle. It's the seasoning aisle. Oh my god, this looks so bare. Okay, this is all expired food. This is such food waste. I am disgusted with myself. But it's already looking really good. This is the area I'm worried about because I feel like it's the most messy because this is the most like used place in the cupboard here. I just bought these so I know they're good, but they are up here. It's like kind of like sweet and salty. I know I've been saying that like 100 times, but it's like they have nothing in them. Why am I keeping stuff that has nothing with them, you know? Metamucil. You needed Metamucil. Where do I put this? I don't even know where to put this. One of these things is not like the other. Okay, I'm just put it off to the side for now. Oh my god, open candy. Like, oh my god, more of these crackers. See, I can put them over here now. Can we do this sped up and then we're gonna go through the stockings. Oh my god, Christmas candy, Halloween. Oh my god. More crackers. I don't need to buy crackers because I have so many of them. This whole thing is just like me checking expiry dates. There are all my clips. What do we just like eat in the cupboard here? Oh my god, these chocolate chips that were hidden. Oh my god. My clips. I've got more clips. Ah! The food waste. It's the food waste for me, honestly. Honestly, this is all I have for sweets. There has to be some up here because like, oh wait, I already see little bites. Yeah, but I want to like take these out. I gotta find ways to store these. So I'm gonna grab like different containers for these.
Wow, it's looking great in there.
Yeah, I know, but we don't have any food. What are in these boxes? Shortbread cookies. Probably from Christmas. Oh my god, we could store things in these containers. I'm gonna dump the cookies out. I like the look of this one though. I don't want plaid. Not a fan of red. Maybe all the crackers could go in there. So I'm gonna find something for this because like why throw this away, right? This looks so sad. Like this is our sweets. Okay, I'm gonna do this top one here the same way and then I'll be back. We have enlisted help.
This is a charcuterie board.
Oh yeah, okay.
This is a second charcuterie board. Get some straps of some sort.
What?
I don't know.
It's like a seatbelt.
I have no idea what that's for.
What? I have no idea what this is. It's going in the garbage because it's stressing me out.
I feel like would know what this is.
It's probably his.
Is this for a beer bomb?
Yeah. Wait,
no
I'll message him and ask. He'll know. Hey, we want to know what this is. Do we throw this away? Do we keep this? We have found an advent calendar. Like, this is depressing. It's expired. I'm gonna make this look nice up there.
Yeah. Top shelf is a good duty for me.
We still don't know what this is, if anyone has any ideas. Like, what is this? Ew! I'm leaving.
Sorry.
Ew! Oh my god! We have like a little party thing.
We'll leave that right there.
That right there is like a jug where me and my friends, we put a bunch of alcohol in there and then it's gone in like an hour, so we need that. These expired in 2018! Ah! Jeez. Oh! They went everywhere. Jesus! Oh my god, it's empty.
But do you want these ketchup Doritos?
I don't know, are they expired? Well then no. Okay, before I go grab some containers for organization, I'm gonna check the stockings. This is my foot spa that Austin got me. This is an empty box. This would actually be good for shipping container, so I'm actually gonna leave it here and remember that because I always like buy boxes to ship things. That's probably why I kept that, and it looks kind of cute. So now I can't forget about it. What is this? Oh my god, I was planning to do a Halloween taste test, but I only got 3 items. Garbage. This obviously fell out of the stocking. Oh my god. Something smells like rotten in here. Stockings. And Austin's hats. So I'm gonna put these in the front closet. Okay, so I clicked stop recording and I thought I re-clicked to record, so it wasn't recording this clip, but it was basically just all expired candy that was in my stocking, so it all went in the garbage, except for the toques that you guys saw, or the hats. Or you might call it a beanie. The thing that covers your head in cold weather. Kept those, garbage everything else, and kept the stockings. Oh, this would be so good for organizing all the brooms. Okay, let's get it. These would be perfect for the snacks. Those would be good for the snacks?
Yeah.
Okay, now seasonings.
I don't know if those are wide enough though. Yeah, one of those might work.
Or should we get one of these?
That's what I was originally thinking, was something like that would probably be better.
For the first thing, the broom organizer is gonna go right here. What do I do?
You just put it in there and you just push it.
Oh, nice!
Something like that?
Whoa! Oh my god, so that they're out of the way.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh my god, they're...
And we can separate them a little bit too.
Yeah, they're out of the way.
What do you think? Yeah, no problem.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This organization is going so well. Oh my god, they're like out of the way. I can open the door.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my life. It's like I just moved in. We're cleaning everything now. Bought this for the cat food. I usually use vet cat food, if anyone's just gonna wonder about that. But they were ran out, they were on back order. So I just grabbed this for now. I usually feed them vet food. I feel like this is what real owners do, is have one of these. And it has a little handle. It keeps it fresh, the bag's not open. Yeah, the skipper will just go right in there. Okay, we got these little cat treats, and these little things that I don't even know are cat treats. There, look at that. I don't know why there's random animal foods here. Like, I don't feed my cats these, but whatever. Okay, let's see if these fit. Oh no! We'll make it work. Hold on, we're gonna try to Tetris this shit. If I do this, the cats are gonna go insane. I'm gonna just do that to all of them. I'm gonna do it to all of them. Me thinking snapping them is gonna make a difference. Okay, now I'm doing the spices. I got these for the spices to organize them in. These, I was thinking, This is looking good, I think. Okay, this seasonings. This is gonna make it so much easier for me to buy seasonings, to find them. Like, I have another seasoning place above, like a storing rack, like a seasoning holder. But I have so many seasonings that this is gonna be really good. Because I just have some of these like flat down that I don't ever see. This is so much better. Here are the seasonings. This is so much better. And then like the breadcrumbs and stuff and the bigger seasonings can go right beside it. That's so good. I'm so happy. I bought some more ramen noodles. Organized! And all the crackers, I guess, could go in there. These might be too big. Wait, didn't we buy any more snacks? Yeah. Muffins, puddings.
Where'd those mini eggs come from?
Your stocking.
Oh my god. I've been sitting on a gold mine this whole time. I didn't even know it. God.
Look at how cool this is. I really like how organized this is. I think we are done. We're done.
Yay.
It looks really good. It looks so organized. Oh my god, it looks so organized. I have to show you. So here's the little snack containers. So much easier to see like all the snacks we have, and everything is not expired or anything. All the cookies, I don't know what that is. Puddings, the little bites, everything's out of, I like that everything's out of the boxes. I always thought it was weird, but honestly after doing it I'm like, yes. Here's the cat stuff. So the cat food actually was able to be put in there and it looks really pretty. The cat treats, and then their food is in here now. Here are all the spices organized. This little one, this, it's easier to just like pull it out and look at it. This is like gonna be a lifesaver for me to just go through and look. Everything was like under $40 that we bought. So like organizing, and then this shelf, everything is up to date. There's no expired food. Reuse that cookie tin for some ramen. The crackers are just like loose, and then some pasta to fill it up. The pasta items look so good. So now let's do a little before and after. This is so nicely organized. I'm shook. I just have to keep it this way now. Before and after. Behind the door, this is gonna be so handy. And that was the whole video of organizing my pantry and cleaning it out, spring cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like almost like I can breathe. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's almost like a relief, even though when I went in here, it wasn't like stressing me out or anything. But I just feel like, oh my god, like it just like looks so nice and it smells clean in here. Oh, there was another thing. I bought one of these little Snuggie air fresheners. And I'm just gonna plop that right in here to make it even more fresh. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!